You can see the smoke from the train.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks.
Hi! So I'm here. This is still part of our Richmond vacation, holiday vacation. And I'm here in my daughter's house. So this is their house. I will show you his collections of trains. Ano tawag yun, shed? So that is... Hi, sweetheart! Oo nga! Hi, sweetheart! This is their backyard. They have a screen porch at the back. And they have a shed where he is putting all his collections. Let's see! Let's check it! I'm vlogging you.
Ouch.
Wow. What's this? Where trains will go?
Yeah, I made that when I was in elementary school.
Oh, they're trucks. So you can let your trains go through here? Wow.
Show my mom then.
Yeah, show to me.
Give her a tour.
So these are all trains here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a lot.
Yeah.
Here, I'll open one for you.
Yeah, you can open it for me.
Oh, he made these by himself.
He made... Oh.
He made the coals. So it didn't come with coals. He's the one that put the coals on.
Wow. Okay, what else? So everything here are trains.
Yeah. Oh, here, Ma, come here.
No, I will show this one.
Oh, you don't want to see it run?
Okay. Wait, I will show this one too. So what are you making right now?
I'm just making some more models.
Are you selling it?
No.
It's just for fun?
Yeah, it was my dad's hobby. We did this when I was kids and we bonded over it, so I just do it
Uh-huh.
now to
And you're assembling your own train.
Yeah.
So you can like buy parts of trains?
They come as kits. I'll just put them together.
Oh.
They come like this, and then you take the parts off and you just
Uh-huh.
put them on. Some of them are a lot harder than others, but
Oh, so it's just like Lego.
kinda. More difficult though.
So you're making more trains?
Yeah.
Ooh. So are you sure there will be running when you assemble it?
Most of the time. Sometimes,
yeah?
sometimes no.
Oh, this one is in like, this is real. That one is just plastic though.
Yeah, they're mostly just plastic. Some of them are metal, but most plastic.
This one's my favorite.
Which one?
This one.
Why?
Because it's blue and yellow.
Uh-huh. It looks like they're models of real trains.
Yeah, they are.
They are.
Oh, they are?
Yeah,
Oh,
this
there's
one-
Norfolk and Western.
Yeah.
Chesapeake and Ohio. Norfolk and Western.
Which one did we
Pennsylvania.
ride in Pennsylvania, Ben?
Hmm?
Which one did we ride in Pennsylvania?
Norfolk Western.
This one?
Red stripe, yeah.
So you get all those parts of the train, that one?
That's just spare stuff that was my dad's. I'm not even sure what's in there, to be honest with you. Nothing I really need.
Okay, let's see. Let's say you're showing me. What's
Oh,
this?
no, have him run it because I don't want to.
Oh, this
Oh my gosh, you got the real thing here.
The knob, turn it. It's not high.
Oh wow. You should have put this under the Christmas tree.
It doesn't move.
It doesn't move.
No, we made one under the Christmas tree when I was a kid too, but we don't have.
Yeah, we usually put it under the... Oh my gosh, it's nice. Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
But it makes noises.
Not all of them.
Oh, not all
All
of
of
them.
them. There you go.
That's old style though. New style different.
You don't have the bullet train?
No, it's expensive.
Oh, you still have more here. you
Yeah,
have
there's
not
a lot.
assembled yet.
There's a lot more.
Oh my gosh. You still have a lot here under. Where are you going to put that one, the other one? Are you going to...
I don't know. I haven't got that far yet.
Wow. How about the other train? They're not moving.
I don't know. I don't know how to run that one.
Oh, it's not on there.
You can have your own museum then.
I'm a part of the museum.
And it's just your collection, imagine. It's just your own collection and you have your own thing like this. So you bought this one or you assembled it by
My
yourself?
dad made it 30 something years ago.
Wow. Ay, nandun na yung sound. Ah, ikaw nagpa-sound.
That's a different sound.
That is nice. Wow. You get this models of like old stores in there, the shops.
Yeah. He painted each one of the people.
Oh my gosh. No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was a kid.
Wow, you should have this work too. This area.
That area has an electrical problem right now.
Oh.
Run your chassis. I want to see it. Is your chassis running?
Yeah.
Run it.
Run it. You still have this one. You have to assemble. You still have a lot of work to do. What's the chassis? Ano chassis na?
That one.
Ah, okay.
I like that one. Oh, show my mom how you take them out and then put new ones in.
Oh, you just take them off. And put them back.
Ah, you want to change different one. Ah, yung favorite color mong ilagay.
Yeah.
So you want the chassis system. You have to make sure you're putting it on the right trail.
Yeah, that's a pain sometimes.
Does it run?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Ah, nice. Oh, they have new sound, different sound.
Yeah, that's more advanced technology.
Does it have a steam? Can you put the steam
So cute. It seems like this is the one that's working. It's just pushing, right?
No, it's that thing is the one that's pulling it.
Ah, it's pulling?
Yeah.
It seemed like when Chris put it, he did not like connect it.
Yeah, he
to-
did.
He did?
Yeah. Oh, I love that look with when the lights are on in the cabs.
Why you guys still have the shell here?
Oh, I just took it out. I was testing something else that I bought, but it didn't work. So. Sorry.
That's cool.
But it comes with the sound.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
I like that Chesapeake one. Look, it's smoking.
It's smoking?
Yeah.
Where's the smoke? Right there. You should focus it.
When it comes over here. How do you turn? See, it
No,
makes,
it's still good. It's still good.
I know. I want to see.
You can see the smoke from the train. How come it stopped?
Oh no.
Where's the smoke? That's so cute. Wow. Let's see this one. And this one too? These are all trains?
Yeah.
This is boxes.
Oh, okay. There's still more here. Wow. What are you going to do with all this stuff here?
Collect it, keep it.
Just collect and collect. These are all the collections. These are just collections. Wow. That's a lot.
Yeah.
So you have your own shop over there, huh?
Yeah.
I'll try to check everything. Oh, full of trains, huh? That's a lot. So you know they have the names of these trains? Oh! Ay, nahuli ka na! Tingnan mo si Tart, akala mo museum! Thank you, Chris, for showing me your collections.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi.
It's actually really clean now.
Yeah, it was good.
Tignan mo si Dad, umuusok pa.
Time for the food.
It is a collection.